How to view source code on Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, navigate to the website or the page that you want to view the source code of. Once you're there, you need to click on the search bar or the URL bar at the top of the screen, and then click on this pencil icon right here to edit the URL. Once you do that, you need to go back to the beginning of the URL and type this code or text right here that says view dash source colon, and once you do that, click on OK. And as you can see, the source code page has opened right here for you to use it for what you want. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can view and check the source code on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.